Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Study with Ishant. And today I am back with another tougher question of J Advanced. And this question is from the J Advanced 2022 paper. And according to the official data of J Advanced 2022, this mathematics question was left by maximum number of students. Or this question was having the highest wrong ratio or highest wrong percentage, in the whole paper. Okay, the question is from the chapter inverse trigonometric functions. Question is saying considering only the principal values of the inverse trigonometric function, then the value of this expression. We need to find the value of this expression. The expression is 3 by 2 cos inverse root over something plus 1 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 pi upon 2 pi square and tan inverse root 2 by pi. We need to find the principal value of this inverse trigonometric function. See, if you see this equation, then nothing goes here by the substitution. Okay, very complex powers are given here, and the expression is also quite complex. The sine inverse has 2 root 2 pi upon 2 pi square. We cannot simplify something in this, or many students say that we need to convert these in tan inverse, but that method would be quite longer method. We can see this expression. We can do something with this last tan inverse root 2 by pi. So if let me see what we can do with this last one. It is tan inverse root 2 by pi. We can assume this as theta. Let us assume any variable theta. So from here tan theta becomes root 2 over pi. Okay, this thing is here. We can take out sine theta and cos theta from here. So if tan theta is this, then what would be sine theta? Perpendicular upon base is what? Uh, Tan theta. So if we draw the triangle here, assuming the angle to be theta, so perpendicular is what? Root 2, base is pi, so the hypotenuse is 2 plus pi square. Okay, something is coming here. Okay, so sin theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse means root 2 upon 2 plus pi square. And what is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse, which is pi upon root over 2 plus pi square. This is the final trigonometric functions here from tan theta. Okay. Now, the question is a little bit simple from here. You can see that this thing is sin theta. So we can substitute cos inverse and this we can assume as sin theta. This whole we can assume as theta. What we can do with this sin inverse 2 root 2 pi upon 2 plus pi square? What we can do with this? See, J advanced questions are the questions of the observations. If you see this function, let me write this function here. It is what? Sine inverse 2 root 2 pi upon 2 plus pi square. This is the function. See, if I just rearrange it, we can write 2 here, just like this. Okay, we can write it as multiplied root upon 2 plus pi square. Okay, root 2 upon 2 plus pi square into pi upon under root में 2 plus pi square. The equation is like this only. And what is this? This is nothing but sin theta and this is what? Cos theta. So you can see what does it becomes? Sin inverse 2 and this is what? This is sin theta cos theta. Do you remember formula of sin 2 theta? It's simplified. See, sin inverse sin 2 theta. Assuming that this sin theta is in its principal range, we can simply write it as 2 theta. Means this thing is nothing but 2 theta. Now just write the equations. One more thing here. See, it is 3 by 2 cos inverse sin theta. Now, how will you write this? What is sin theta? Cos pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, So just write it as cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. Assuming cos also in principal range, so we can just write it as pi by 2 minus theta. Our equation is solved. Now just substitute in the above equation. Okay. See what we have assumed here. We have assumed this as 3 by 2. This is what? This is pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. Plus this was what? 2 theta. So 2 theta by 4 plus this was what? Theta. Okay. So the equation is simplified. Very easy. Okay. If you are getting confused, then see what was sine theta. Sine theta was root over 2 upon 2 plus pi square. Okay. Sine inverse 2 root 2 pi upon 2 plus pi square was sine. No, sine not. It was simply 2 theta. Okay. And tan inverse root 2 upon pi was theta. So now just simplify the equation. It will be what? 3 pi by 4 minus 3 theta by 2, and this cancelled. So this will be also 3 theta by 2, 3 theta by 2, 3 theta by 2 cancel. 3 pi by 4. This is the final expression, 3 pi by 4. You can calculate this. 3 into 3.14 upon 4. It is what? 3.14 into 3. 9.42 upon 4. What will be this? 2.15. Roughly 2.15 only, or you can just solve it, and it will be coming 2.35. Sorry, 2.35. This is the final answer. The question was in integer form, so you can just write 2.35 and up to 2 decimal places. This was a question of observation, but yeah, I understand that during the exam temperament, the children does not get the question here. Okay, they can't think like this in the exam temperament, and the one who thinks like this, they get their top ranks. Okay, so this was this question for now, and I will be back with such more great questions. Stay tuned with my channel and subscribe to my channel, Study with Ishant, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good luck.